Hi, behind me is a 3D printed RC airplane P-47 Thunderbolt from our by Czech company 3DLabprint.com. This company makes the data for 3D print for your own 3D print. So I know this airplane, it flies really very nice, and I am curious how fast is this airplane with my power setup. Power setup is around copter motor from copters. Exact type of this motor, because I don't know it now, exact type of this motor you can see in title of video or in description under this video. And this motor LiPo battery 6 cell 1.3 amp hours, and for this setup actually liked battery, liked propeller APC 11 per 5.5 inches, 11 per 5.5, yes. So this propeller is for this setup actually liked. This is not very hard for this motor, and I am curious how fast with this setup this airplane will be. 80 kilometers per hour, 100 or more, I don't know, we will see later. Which speed I will measure? I will measure. I will not measure IAS, indicated airspeed, because indicated airspeed we can measure with pitot tube, yes, or KIAS, knot indicated airspeed. This is just same speed but in knots. So this speed you can measure with pitot tube. I have pitot tube for FirstSky SmartPort system, but installation of pitot tube in the airplane is a little bit difficult, especially on this type of construction, because pitot tube must be outside of propeller ring. You must lead tubes inside the fuselage. It is just difficult, but installation of GPS sensor is very easy. You will just put GPS sensor in the airplane, you will stick it on right place with upside to upside, and that's all. And only after switch on of power in the airplane we must just wait, I don't know, 2-3 minutes first time for lock on enough GPS satellites. So installation of GPS sensor is very easy, and with this GPS sensor I will measure GS, ground speed. What is ground speed? Ground speed is just speed of airplane to ground, against the ground, because speed of airplane against the air and against the ground are two different, or could be two different values. Because if airplane will fly for example 100 kilometers per hour in air with custom speed of air 100 kilometers per hour in same direction, it means airplane is flying 100 kilometers per hour in air, which custom speed 100 kilometers per hour, it is 100 plus 100, it means final speed to ground, against the ground, will be 200 kilometers per hour. Yes, 200 against the 200 GS, ground speed, and 100 IAS, indicated airspeed. 100 in air with own 100. If airplane will fly 100 kilometers per hour against the air with custom speed, on speed 100 kilometers per hour, speed against the ground will be 0. Yes, 100 one direction, against the wind with 100 in opposite direction. Yes, I think it's clear. So we will measure GS, ground speed. Yes, measurement of speed with GPS sensor is of course a little bit tricky. If you will fly directly down or up this measurement is practically useless, but it is actually nice working in normal horizontal flying. You must fly in horizon, I don't know, for 50-70 meters. This is enough for usable measurement of speed of flight. And if I will be successful with telemetry, I will make, and you will see now in videos, video with 3 gauges. I don't know exact English language. Gauges. three instruments. One instrument will show actual speed in kilometers per hour. Second will be show actual current, which its motor in this moment. And third instrument will be voltage of battery. Yes, voltage on input to speed regulator, it means voltage of battery, and this voltage will be of course lower and lower, because I want measure high speed in horizontal fly. The fastest speed will be with full charged battery, so speed will be lower and lower. Yes, so I will fly only, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes and it will be enough. So I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Sorry for my English, and let's go. So Thunderbolt is safely down on the ground. Maybe you saw that flying with this airplane was not very confident. It was not very confident because when I fling or throw this airplane in the air, I have here in the nose 3 old AA batteries as additional light in the nose, because I have a light battery inside. And one of these 3 batteries, when I fling airplane in the air, one of these 3 batteries was unglued and was moved in the tail. So flying with this airplane was actually very interesting. It was much less stable and it was just interesting. But how you can see, airplane is safely down. Landing was actually more on the speed. When I recognized this problem with airplane in the air, I told myself, okay, let's go with this a little bit tricky flying, and how you can saw, speed was very nice for this setup and for this situation with unstable airplane. And maximum speed was 136 kilometers per hour. I think this is really nice speed, because I don't make any diving from high altitude for higher speed. This is really just horizontal speed, and this is very nice speed for this motor with this not very hard propeller. So I will repair airplane, I will just glue it back again, and I will fly again. So thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you later.